Right, so we're on the completion day of this one in Darwin. So at the moment, running around, putting the trims in, going about 10 inches wide. The customer's gone with a starlight colour, and we're going to infill with a platinum. Nice easy turnaround this one, should be done in a couple of hours. Saturday, weather's in our favour for once. A couple of clouds, but it's a nice day. Okay, now the border's going in. As I said, the customer's showed us starlight. So just going to run that round now, give the mixer a clean, give it 10 minutes and we'll do the infill. So we've got a dog loose while we're doing a resin shop. At least we've only just started, it's still a bit wet. Okay, well, we're 3/4 of the way through this project now. So as you can see, the platinum complements the starlight beautifully. It's coming along lovely. We have just had a dog run loose right through the middle of it a second ago. I'll put in videos on the internet later, but nice to save the project. What Xander's doing now is he's chucking some glass over the top. It's going to create a bit of extra grip. We do put sand in our mixes as well, 1 kilo per mix. Again, it's just for all the extra grip because we're on a hill. Right, well this job's now done. Starlight border with a platinum infill. Looks absolutely superb. Customer's happy, we're all happy. Time for the pub.